This message appears when Windows Update fails to apply KB5065789 and flags your system as being out of compliance with security requirements. In other words, Windows believes that your PC is missing a critical patch because the update wasn't installed successfully. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/SoftwareDistribution, SoftwareDistribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2, catroot2.old. Type netstart woo serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type Exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In Second Failure, select Restart the Services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update.